Title: HVAC Basics for Homeowners, a comprehensive guide. Introduction. Welcome, homeowners, to your guide to understanding and managing your HVAC, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system. Your HVAC system plays a crucial role in keeping your home comfortable year-round while also impacting energy bills and indoor air quality. This one-page guide aims to equip you with essential knowledge to make informed decisions about your HVAC system. Understanding your HVAC system. Your HVAC system consists of three main components. 1. Heating, provides warmth during colder months using furnaces, boilers, or heat pumps. 2. Ventilation, distributes air throughout your home and maintains indoor air quality by removing pollutants. 3. Air conditioning, cools your home during warmer months using central air conditioners, ductless mini-splits, or heat pumps. Routine maintenance. Regular maintenance is key to ensuring your HVAC system operates efficiently and lasts longer. Here are some maintenance tasks you can perform. Replace air filters every 1 to 3 months to prevent airflow restrictions and maintain indoor air quality. Keep outdoor units clear of debris and vegetation to ensure proper airflow. Schedule professional tune-ups annually to inspect and optimize system performance. Energy efficiency tips. Maximize energy efficiency and lower utility bills with these tips. Invest in a programmable thermostat to schedule temperature adjustments based on your daily routine. Seal leaks in ductwork to prevent air loss and improve system efficiency. Consider upgrading to Energy Star certified HVAC equipment for significant energy savings. Indoor air quality. Maintaining good indoor air quality is essential for your health and comfort. Here's how you can improve it. Use high-efficiency air filters to capture dust, pollen, and other airborne particles. Install UV lights or air purifiers to neutralize bacteria, viruses, and mold spores. Keep humidity levels between 30 to 50% to prevent mold growth and maintain respiratory health. Knowing when to upgrade. As your HVAC system ages, it may become less efficient and more prone to breakdowns. Consider upgrading if you notice rising energy bills despite regular maintenance, frequent repairs or unusual noises from your system, uneven heating or cooling throughout your home. Conclusion. By understanding the basics of your HVAC system and implementing proper maintenance practices, you can ensure optimal comfort, energy efficiency, and indoor air quality in your home. Remember to consult HVAC professionals for complex repairs and installations, and stay proactive in caring for your system to enjoy years of reliable performance. Check description for HVAC books and much more.